Yo, what's up YouTube family? It's MrSunSun and I'm back with another video. Back outside getting nature. Back outside getting the sun. Every day above ground is a beautiful day. Every day above ground is an amazing day. So take advantage of every minute. Take advantage of every hour. Take advantage of every second. Let's get straight into today's video. Today I'm outside, guys. I'm on my bike. We're gonna do a bike video, bike vlog, because I love riding my bike. So that's what we're doing today. Stay tuned. Let's get it. Bike vlogs, y'all stay tuned. No hands on the bike. Currently driving towards the park. So I'm driving through Broward right now. Currently headed towards the park so I can get my calisthenics in. Gonna work out. Gonna get a good workout in today. So we headed to the park, man. So yeah, I'm in Broward right now. I've been riding bikes since a kid, so it's something that stuck with me. I never stopped bike riding. And it's good exercise, good nature. I'm still getting the sun. You know what I'm saying? Good cardio, getting my legs stronger just by bike riding. So yeah, I'm in Broward right now. Windy day, but we still gonna get this work in. Let's get it. Hopefully y'all can hear me. It's windy. What's the right? Skirt. It's a windy day. It's a hot summer day. Beautiful day though, bruh. Beautiful day to be outside and to work hard. So yeah, this is actually a mountain bike. This is a good bike, bro. You know what I'm saying? Very good. Paid good money for it, but it was worth it. So yeah, it's a nice mountain bike. Very comfortable. Nice to ride, dog. So yeah, we getting the sun right now. Sun hitting. Beautiful lake to my right. Made it to the park. Beautiful lake. So yeah, I like to do my route first before I work out. Go this way. Go through the magical forest, magical trail. Yes, sir. Trees everywhere. Beautiful spot. Beautiful scenery. Y'all getting a P.O.V. Riding bike is something I love, so I'm gonna do more videos of that. Just exploring. Florida is a beautiful state, so I would love to show y'all what Florida look like. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. Beautiful trees. There go iguana. You see the big lizards in the grass? Those are iguanas. And it's a regular bike. It's not electric, straight pedal. It's a mountain bike. I'm recording with my hands. So there's no hands, guys. Take this right. Now that's one hand right there. That's a one-hand turn. now I arrived to my destination, the calisthenics area. Time to work out.
Why you hating? You should be elevating. Why you hating? You should be paper chasing. Instead of hating, try to be the greatest. Instead of hating, try to be the greatest. Instead of hating, make your mama proud. Instead of hating, make your people smile. No one else gonna do it, be the hero for your town. Gotta lift people up when they feeling down. Hitting push-ups is the only time I'm on the ground. Besides that, I'm on my feet, boy, I'm not weak. Still a chaos being, boy, don't think shit sweet. I know my life is in my hands, it's really up to me. I got the power to be who I really wanna be. Free the black men who got caught up in the streets. I'm chosen for this life and it's not for the weak. You gotta be strong spiritually and mentally. Every day I rise with the sun. Sun, they chosen one. I love rapping, it's fun. WDR, I don't run. Young men, put down the guns. That your life ain't no fun. Reproductive on something. Make something out of nothing. I'm for real, I'm not bluffing. Scary times are coming. Scary times are coming. Gotta wake up, man. See the truth for what it is. Let's get it. Scary times are coming. Spitting bars, I'm on fire. Speak the truth, I'm no liar. Every day I feel flyer. Fruits got me feeling higher. Gotta grind till I'm tired. Gotta grind till I'm tired.
Workout completed. So we back on the road. Exiting the park right now. Nice trail, a lot of nature, a lot of wildlife. The oxygen is amazing here. So easy to breathe around here. Clean oxygen. Trees everywhere. Whoa, that was a close one. Whoa. It's a trail. Man, look at this tree. Oh, look at this fruit. Whoa. Whoa. There's a rest area. Whoa. Yeah, this is a vibe. They got seats over here. Let's keep going. Let's see where this leads. Sharp turns. It's all good. We got a good bike. Let's go over the ledge. Yeah, this park is amazing. Fun trail. All right, left is where we came from. Let's take a right. Whoa, snake.
Whoa, snake.
Yep, there's snakes here. Friendly garden snakes. They are harmless. That was a pretty big one though. Sharp turn. More wildlife. This is nice, man. If y'all like these bike vlogs, hit that like button. I'll do more bike vlogs, more exploring. Now I'm gonna do one more lap with no talking, just so y'all can enjoy the view and enjoy the ride. Let's get it. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.